If you're in charge of welding operations, whether on the floor or in a leadership role, you understand the cost of weld failures. Rework, missed deadlines, failed inspections, and customer complaints all take a toll on your bottom line. But welding issues aren't mysterious. The causes are known, and so are the solutions when you have access to the right information. At Welding Answers, we provide that information through a range of resources designed to help you improve weld quality, increase productivity, and reduce costs. Our blog articles present technical welding concepts in a clear, easy-to-understand way. No jargon, no fluff, just practical insight you can use. We also offer instructional videos that dig deeper into key topics, helping you connect the dots between theory and application. Beyond that, we provide free downloadable resources packed with useful tools and reference materials. And for those who want to go further, we offer paid resources developed specifically for professionals who manage welding operations. These include our Welding Engineering for Non-Welding Engineers Technical Guide series, pre-qualified welding procedures for carbon steel and stainless steel, and specialized guides on topics like reading welding symbols, qualifying welding procedures, and troubleshooting weld defects. This information isn't based on opinion. It's been vetted through research, testing, and decades of field experience. And it's made possible through collaboration with a wide network of professional welders, welding engineers, supervisors, inspectors, instructors, and business owners. These are the people we work with and the people we serve. If you're looking to qualify better procedures, reduce waste, improve team performance, or just make more informed decisions, Welding Answers is here to support you. Start by downloading any of our free resources and put our knowledge to work in your operation today. Welding Answers. Real knowledge. Real results.